Hello everyone, this is the first video of Django CMS series, and in this video we will be learning how to install Django CMS and set up it in our project. I will be using Visual Studio Code editor for this project. So first of all, we need to create a virtual environment for the project. Open the new terminal and run the command make virtual environment and the name of virtual environment. So this command will create a virtual environment called Django CMS. Okay. So our virtual environment is created and activated. Now, in this virtual environment, we will be installing Django CMS using pip. Run the pip command pip install Django CMS Installer. It will install all the dependencies required for Django CMS in our project. Okay, so after installing Django CMS in our virtual environment, now let us create a Django CMS project in this folder. Run the command Django CMS my project. This will create a complete Django CMS project in this folder. It will take a few minutes. You can see that all the dependencies are now installed and the project is being created. All the required migrations are being performed, and you can see that after all the migrations our project is ready to go. Now let us see how our project looks like. So run python manage.py run server command to run our project. Okay, first of all we need to cd into directory. Okay, so first of all we need to cd into directory of our project. Now we will run python manage.py run server command. And you can see that our project is successfully running. And this is the first page you will see after running our project successfully. We need admin credentials in order to log into our system. So we will create a super user here. I will run python manage.py create super user command. Now our super user is successfully created. Let us run our project again. I'll reload this page, and now I will use my login credentials. This is the first page you see after login into our project, and you can see that we are successful in installing and setting up the Django CMS in our project. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. In the next video, we will be learning how to customize the templates of Django CMS and how to add new pages to our website, and we will be creating a beautiful website throughout the series of videos on Django CMS. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this video.